Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on Fathom AI. If you take online meetings in 2026, you already know the frustration. You sign up for an AI note taker, you get 3 days into the month, and boom, you hit a paywall because you ran out of transcription minutes. But there's one tool that has completely disrupted the industry by doing the unthinkable, offering unlimited recordings and transcriptions for free. Okay, so welcome to Fathom AI. This is basically like a meeting assistant that is going to join your Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Team calls, record a video, transcribe the audio, and uses AI to write your summaries. Okay, so I'm going to give you like a complete tutorial on how this works. First of all, guys, setting up the account is going to take about 6 seconds. You're going to need to click on sign up for free. But very importantly, you're going to have to basically download something. Okay, because this is going to act from your local computer. Okay, and it's going to appear as a visible bot in a participant in your meeting room. So this might be a disadvantage for some of you because it's going to appear as a participant basically, so people aren't going to know that they're being recorded. Okay. So for transparency and compliance, basically everyone knows it is there. If your client hates bots, it might be a deal breaker, but if you're okay with it, the full workflow is going to be incredible. So guys, once you download and install the client, you're going to be welcome to this little dashboard as you can see here. And here you're going to see basically like your calls, your team calls, your playlists, alerts, and deals, okay? Not only that, but you can also use like the extension for Google Chrome to kind of record your Google meetings, calls actually, right? So you don't really have to do anything because it's gonna automatically initiate once you join a meeting, okay? Except when you are in Google Meets because then you're gonna have to press the button, okay? But yeah, besides that, it's pretty simple. So it's gonna transcribe automatically everything you say in real time. And it's going to support over 38 languages, and its speaker identification is very accurate. Now, the second your meeting ends, it's going to be recorded here in your call, so you can just open it, as I'm going to do it right now. Okay, so you can see this is 8 minutes. And if we go to transcript, we're going to have our full transcription. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty complete. And it's going to separate between the different speakers, Richard White and Susana Durant. Okay, and it's going to give you kind of different topics on the sections that are being spoken about, as you can see. So this is so beautiful. And you can even search for specific words, okay? So for example, if I want to look for Zoom, for example, if I want to look for Fathom, I can just find a bunch of keywords that contain this word, okay, which is great. But of course, you don't have to agree with the subscription.
Hello.
You can just click on basically edit it. Edit transcript, and you can edit it as much as you like. And it's also going to give you different kind of summaries, like chronological summary, general, sales, Q&A, so on, which is great. Okay. Not only that, but you can ask Fathom specific questions about this call. Okay. For example, when was this meeting scheduled, or why was this meeting scheduled? Okay. And it's going to try to answer based on the transcript, which is great. And it's also going to give you the highlights of the call, as you can see in here. Okay, these are marked in blue. And here's where we need to talk about the free plan versus the premium, because Fathom is going to give you unlimited chronological summaries, but in 2026, if you want basically the advanced AI summaries, where the AI is going to format your notes into specific frameworks, okay, you're going to have to pay, okay, because you're going to get only 5 of these per month on the free tier, which is not so much. That being said, if you're a solo freelancer, the free tier is probably enough. But if you're a sales rep or an account executive, I think you should maybe pay for the tool because it's going to be better. If you want to share this call with someone, you can just click on share, okay? Or you can just download the video, okay? And you can even delete the call from here. Outside of that specific call, we can just go to the main dashboard and we can ask general questions about my call. So for example, you can ask the AI things that you're struggling with, okay? So you might actually improve yourself, okay? And the AI sometimes is not going to be able to answer your question if you cannot find any calls that have the same problem. But yeah, it's going to go through your calls basically, and it's going to try to see where you can improve. So that's pretty much it. It's a pretty good tool. The other thing is that it relies on a visible bot joining your call, which is not always ideal for sensitive client meetings, okay? And also they lack a native mobile app for recording live. But yeah, I think it's a pretty good tool in general, so just give it a go because it's free to use at the very beginning. Thank you so much.